Hi, here is Philip from Little Help. Today I want to show you how to record video from your desktop by OBS Studio program. So first you need to download it. So you can Google OBS Studio or just enter obsproject.com, and on the main page you can see you can download it for different operating systems. I have Windows, so I have downloaded it for Windows. Here I have installation, so run installation, click next, next, install. Installation takes about 1 or 2 minutes, I think. When installation is done, we can launch OBS Studio. When you first time run OBS Studio, then it asks if you want to run auto configuration wizard. If you're beginner, I recommend it, so click to yes. OBS Studio is primary for live streaming, but in our case we want to record videos, so we check optimize just for recording. Next. Here you can select the resolution which should be recorded. I recommend to use your native monitor resolution. Next. Now OBS Studio is testing our computer if it meets requirements. After test is done, we can click apply settings. So now we can see that we here have a scene, default scene. So one scene for us is enough. So we need just add source from which should be video recorded. As we want to record our whole desktop, we choose display capture. Okay, here you can select which monitor you want to record if you have multiple monitors. Okay, first time when I ran it, I had a problem that my video was just black, and then I Google what was wrong, and I found that problem can be if you have multiple graphic processors, so one integrated on a CPU and one normal. In this case you need to go to, if you have NVIDIA, you need to go to NVIDIA control panel, and probably you have here selected auto select, but if your recordings are black, then you need to change it to integrated graphics and apply. When you finish your recording, then you can return it back to auto select option. After you do it, then you need to close and run again OBS Studio. I also recommend to go to settings, and in settings you can change where your videos are stored in output, and here is recording path. I am okay with this path, you can change it. Here you can also change recording quality and format, but I recommend to let it as it is. Also in audio you can change your microphone and also desktop audio if you want to set some particular but default option should work. One thing I recommend is to set a hotkey for start and stop recording. because if you don't set it, you need to open OBS Studio window and click to start record button, and then when you want to stop it, you need to open the window again and stop record, and your recording will contain these steps. So I recommend to set it. For example, I use Alt R for start and also Alt R for stop recording. Okay, apply, and now you can minimize your window, and when you are in desktop you can press Alt R and your studio start record. When you stop record, you can find your videos in path you set, or just go to File and Show Recordings, and here you will find your videos you recorded. One recommendation here is audio mixer. If you don't want to record desktop audio, so for example when you will receive some Facebook notification or from another program and you don't want to record the sound, I recommend to mute this desktop audio and only your microphone will be active, so only your voice will be recorded. In case you don't want to record your microphone or your voice, you can also mute it. For now it's everything. If you have some questions, please ask me in comments, and thank you for watching, and bye.